Welcome back to Part 4, Team. At the end of the last video, we reached this visual confirmation screen, proving our n8n subdomain and SSL certificate are set up perfectly. When you see this Setup Owner Account form at your secure https n8n.yourdomain.com/setup address, you know your DNS and SSL configuration was a success. In this video, we'll move forward and tackle the next step, reconfiguring our Docker compose.yml to secure n8n and get ready for the admin user setup. Let's jump right in. Here's a quick look at our current Docker compose.yml file for n8n. Right now, basic authentication is enabled. n8n basic auth active equals true, and the user, password, and time zone are all set with placeholder values. In the next step, we'll update this file to disable basic auth since we're switching to the built-in n8n admin user setup, and set the correct time zone for our company in Atlanta, USA. Stay tuned. Coming up next, we'll show the updated config and explain each change. Here's our updated Docker compose.yml for n8n. We've set n8n basic auth active to false and commented out the user and password lines. This disables basic auth so we can switch to the built-in n8n admin user setup. The time zone is now set to America, New York, to match our company's Atlanta HQ. And now that we have SSL, we've added the webhook tunnel URL and pointed it to our secured subdomain, https n8n.yourdomain.com. This ensures n8n webhooks are reachable from the outside world using HTTPS. With these changes, our setup is more secure and production ready. Next up, we'll restart our containers and move forward with admin user setup. Now that we've made our changes to the Docker compose.yml file, it's time to restart our n8n containers for the new config to take effect. First, we'll bring everything down cleanly by running docker compose down. This command will stop and remove both the n8n container and its default network. Always do this before making changes, so you start fresh. Next up, we'll visually verify that the server is down from the browser. After bringing the containers down, if you refresh your browser and see a 502 bad gateway error, don't panic. This is exactly what we expect. This just means that Nginx is up, but our n8n app is still offline. It's a great way to visually confirm that Nginx is working as our reverse proxy and waiting for n8n to come back online. Next, let's bring our containers back up and finish the setup. Now let's bring n8n back online. Just run docker compose up-d. You'll see both the network and the n8n container get created and started. If you see these green messages, you're golden. Now let's jump back to our browser and see if the n8n setup screen appears. Fingers crossed. Boom! If you see this screen, it means n8n is up and your SSL is working. We're now ready to set up the owner account for n8n. This is where you'll enter your email, first name, last name, and a secure password. Let's fill this out and get into our n8n dashboard for the very first time. Once you've set up your owner account, n8n greets you with a quick onboarding questionnaire. These questions help tailor the platform to your needs, like what kind of company you're running, your role, what you want to automate, team size, and how you heard about n8n. You can fill these out to improve your experience, or just pick whatever fits and hit Get Started. It's super quick, and then we're straight into a surprise. And here's the surprise. n8n gives you a shot at unlocking all the paid features for free, for life. All you have to do is pop in your email and click Send me a free license key. Don't skip this. These features are actually super useful, like workflow history and advanced debugging. Once you claim it, you've got pro features forever, even if they change the plan later. Nice little bonus for self-hosters. Congratulations, you've made it to your very own self-hosted n8n dashboard. How cool is that? This is the true welcome moment. You're now officially running your own automation powerhouse, ready to build workflows, integrate anything, and, of course, show off those admin skills to your boss and your team. But don't miss the next video. We'll activate your license key and set up member users. there's a huge surprise coming up that's going to make your self-hosted n8n even more powerful. Seriously, if you're building this for your team, you do not want to miss it. See you in Part 5.